conversation this whole time with her.
Hi, my name is Debbie. Are you here with us? Would you like to speak with me? Okay.
She likes Kelly.
Do you like Kelly? Do you want me to leave? Would you like me to leave? Maybe?
Debbie's okay.
Here, I'll leave.
It's okay, you don't have to feel, like you don't want to speak. You can speak with us still. Just some good people. I want to have a good conversation with you. You can just light it up a little bit.
Thank you.
That'd be great. Thank you.
Can you light it up again?
This is Julie.
Hello.
If you want to come in and
I need
light up those lights again, that would be awesome.
use the little girl's room. Where's
Oh,
Right
right
there?
there.
that? Right here?
Yep,
Yeah.
we get to hear your pee.
See if you can get the door open.
So if you fart,
Okay, now
flush it,
somebody's
flush
gonna come with me.
Hey, it's like right over by you.
It's right over by you guys, right behind you.
Yeah.
It's right
Okay.
Hi.
You are
Hi.
right, Julie.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom by myself.
You in a wire. What?
Iron.
Still want to chit-chat with us, don't you? Just some good people. We appreciate everything you're doing for us. Yeah.
Can you come and stand over here by me? I would really like to talk with you. I haven't had a chance to meet you. Will you come over here closer to me? I promise I will not harm you.
It's right here.
Right.
I
I do
did
too.
too.
You smell that?
I do
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
There's
what was
two.
Rat.
There's three.
Yeah, was that you making
Was
a
that
smell?
you?
Art.
Are you smoking
Art.
something?
Art.
What? What did it say?
Art.
What are you